Welcome back to Ride X. Today, we're putting the pedal to the metal with the 2025 BMW M3 Competition. This high-performance variant of the 3 Series is a beast on the road, with a potent engine and razor-sharp handling. Let's take a closer look. The exterior of the 2025 cubic meters Competition is a work of art, with the Brooklyn gray color giving it a sleek and aggressive look. The design is both aerodynamic and muscular, with features like LED headlights, 19-inch alloy wheels, and a distinctive M Sport exhaust system. The M3 Competition's exterior is sure to turn heads on the road. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that's both luxurious and performance-oriented. The M3 Competition features premium leather-trimmed seats, a 12.3-inch touchscreen, and advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control. The interior is designed to provide a comfortable and immersive driving experience, with features like a Harman Kardon surround sound system. The 2025 cubic meters Competition packs a punch with its 3.0-liter twin-turbo, inline-6 engine, producing 503 horsepower and 479 lb-ft of torque. The 8-speed M Steptronic automatic transmission provides lightning-fast shifting, while the advanced suspension system delivers razor-sharp handling and control. The M3 Competition is available with rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, making it capable in a variety of driving conditions. The 2025 BMW M3 Competition starts at around $70,000, with top-of-the-line trims reaching up to $80,000. Key features include 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-6 engine, 8-speed M Steptronic automatic transmission, advanced suspension system, 19-inch alloy wheels, 12.3-inch touchscreen with navigation, premium leather-trimmed seats, Harman Kardon surround sound system. The M3 Competition's performance is nothing short of exhilarating, with rapid acceleration and precise handling. Whether you're carving up twisty roads or cruising down the highway, the M3 Competition delivers a driving experience that's both thrilling and refined. The M3 Competition also features a range of advanced technology features, including a heads-up display, gesture control, and a driving assistance package with features like lane departure warning and blind spot detection. That's it for today's review of the 2025 BMW M3 Competition. This high-performance variant of the 3 Series is a true driver's car, with a perfect blend of power, precision, and luxury. Thanks for watching Ride X, and we'll catch you in the next one.